Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about RightMessage, which is the best email list segmentation and personalization site. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto this site. So coming onto the platform, you can see we are on its dashboard. I have successfully signed in and we have a couple of options in here. So let me start off by showing you this sample or the page that is already created, the email letter. So you can see you can completely design and customize all of these settings, so you have every control in here. So you can also choose to have it set to a control, like for example, if the viewers simply press this button, they will be directed towards a URL or a website. So you can choose your website in here, and you can also send URL visitor link as well. So you can see we have currently edit offer content, and we can also preview in ABC. So this is the one that I created for sample. Now you can see you have your content style. You can choose to completely modify it according to your demands. The color, background, everything is possible to change. We have our triggering. So basically it is when a certain action happens, then it launches an second option. So let's say if I set the trigger for something to happen at A, then it is going to be launching the segment B. So this is used for that. So you can see when to trigger, while scroll, percentage, time on page, and only when manually triggered. So you can also choose to give it a try to this. You also have your details, and you can add your widget details and your category and stuff and so on. So yeah, so currently I'm on free plan, so might be having some limited features. Now adding on to this, you can simply try out RightMessage. Let me show you some reviews about it. So you can see, great tool to build a pop-up CTA widget for websites, lives up to the title. And you can see if I click on this, it is going to be jumping on to more details. So let me just go back. Now we also have some other reviews. This app supercharges your site. So really good reviews in my opinion. Now to try out RightMessage, you can simply head over to the link in the description to access free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.